If you can't explain what drives your commodity price, you can't control it. You can only react to it. ISO pricing isn't random. It's built from a few main components. Here's how the price gets set and what you're really paying for. Hi, Eugene Garcia again, President of ECM Energy Management Services. For the past 20 plus years, we've been helping large commercial entities use less energy, buy energy cheaper, and meet their sustainability goals in a more financially attractive manner. Now let's talk about how the ISO works and their main components of commodity. Let's start with energy and how it's settled. Most of the transactions that flow through the ISO incorporate load requirements and generators as price takers. Not many power purchase agreements are accomplished through the ISO. And how does that work? Basically, for every hour of every day, the members are telling the ISO how much load we need. And the generators are basically saying, I can provide this much load at this price. The ISO basically stacks the pricing on the generators lowest to highest price. And when they reach the equivalent load that's needed, that sets the price for all. This is the largest component of the electric commodity price. It's roughly 60 to 70%. Component number 2, capacity. Capacity theoretically is the market mechanism that entices new generation to be developed where it's needed. It's based on supply and demand. This component is roughly 20 to 30% of the overall mix. And you have options on how to buy capacity. You can buy capacity in the spot market, the monthly auction, the 6-month auction. You can even do a long-term contract. The third and final component, ancillaries and RPS. Ancillaries are charges related to the maintenance of the grid or the reliability of the grid, spinning reserve, black start capability, etc. RPS is actually the acronym for Renewable Portfolio Standard, and those are dictated on a state-by-state basis. Basically, a state says we want X% of renewable energy. Now, although those transactions might happen outside the ISO, they are sequenced through the ISO for confirmation. This component is typically about 10% of the overall commodity cost. You can manage the purchase of these commodity components yourself, or you can outsource them to an experienced energy management firm like ECM.